Oh my gosh, how are you?
Good.
I'm in Minnesota. Feels like home.
Hello.
Nice to see you guys. You. David and Tessie.
Yes, we'll show you around.
All
Come
right,
on in.
please, please, please. This gives me such good vibes. Thanks for bringing me home.
Thank you for helping us.
What am I doing here?
It's my mom passed away a couple years ago.
Sorry to hear
and
that.
she was very big on family. So she left us some farmland in Iowa.
I love Iowa. It's actually quite chic.
Is it?
Yeah.
So we decided farming wasn't really our thing.
Right.
So we decided to sell the land
Okay, make
and
some
use the money, yeah.
All right.
We're keeping this house. We're gonna get a cabin.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, we want to get a boat, so on water.
so it has to be on the water.
We want to stay within 2 hours of the cities just because the kids are busy. And
So you're gonna go up.
you can run there for the
almost-
day.
Exactly.
We want a lot of bedrooms. We want to just pile people in.
Okay.
Um,
So
you know,
do I envision bunk beds happening?
You do.
Bunk beds
yeah.
would be great, yeah. Yard room, play games outside, hang out at the lake.
All right.
Yeah.
What kind of price
And
are we looking at?
Like 400?
400.
That's a nice price. That's very exciting. So I'm starting this little fun journey in Watkins, which is an adorable little town nestled within cornfields and soybean fields. It's very Minnesota. Hollydale Hill is an amazing, wonderful property. Rolling hills right into that glorious water. It just says, come hither.
So nice and peaceful.
Isn't this beautiful?
Yes.
We are in the area of Watkins, Minnesota, the town of a whopping 1,000 people.
Whoa.
I know. Isn't it exciting?
Huge.
All right, let me tell you about Hollydale Hills. It's got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's just a little over 2,000 square feet. It's 0.8 acres, and the price is pretty good too at $345,000. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Huge. It's so big.
It's huge, isn't it?
Yes.
Very nice.
You can tell it's a new house. I mean, it's completely open.
Yeah.
And that view, you can't, right?
So good. The whole family would fit. I love
Yeah.
it.
It's a second home.
It is.
Right?
It really is.
Huge dining space here. You can put 3 of these tables together and still have plenty of room.
Perfect.
Kitchen's good.
Good.
Very clean, very
Yeah.
modern.
Yeah.
That's-
So much storage space.
I love that.
It's great. Yeah.
Now, aesthetically, this is pretty modern. Did you want that quintessential, like, Minnesota cabin vibe where everything's a little more rustic?
I think we're okay with not.
Yeah. We're not super rustic, but,
Yeah.
you know.
Let's go check out the bedrooms. Come on. All right, so here is the main suite. It's kind of everything.
My gosh.
wow.
Wow.
Right.
It's huge.
Huge.
How does it compare to your bedroom
It's
at home?
Much bigger. Yeah. And if that's a bathroom, that's.
It is a bathroom.
Wow.
Do you have a suite right now?
No.
Oh, here you go. No more sharing with
Wow.
kids. It's all yours.
Oh my gosh. The 2 sinks,
2 sinks.
very
And a-
nice.
shower, tub.
Do you have a tub right now, like a big soaking
Not a soaking
Not
tub
like
like
that,
this.
Let's go check out the guest bedrooms. There is room for numerous guests in the 3 extra bedrooms and the spacious guest bathroom. So today we're looking on Grand Lake, which is just right outside of St. Cloud in Cold Springs. Kachow Court is a super cute house in a neighborhood right on the edge of town. So we're in Cold Spring, just right outside of St. Cloud, so we're a little bit more accessible to life.
Okay.
Yep.
And the lake's a little bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kachow Court has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Okay.
Has 1,156 square feet, so it's a little bit smaller.
Okay.
And the price is right at the top of your budget. And that's
Okay.
because we're closer to town and because this is the nice side of the lake.
Okay.
At $399,900.
Okay.
Right on
We
budge.
can handle that.
Barely.
All right.
Come on in.
Cute.
Oh, wow. This
Yeah,
is really
I like
cute.
it.
It's very charming.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Very cozy.
I mean-
Look at the view.
The view is great. And with that view comes that big screen in porch, which is
Yes.
really nice. That's
Yeah.
where you guys will live. There are lots of options. I can tell you like the kids to be in one area
Yeah.
and the
Yeah.
adults to be in the other. And this property is set up exactly like that. So let's discover what's happening, where the kids are gonna be.
Okay, perfect.
In the original cottage, 2 guest bedrooms can fit a good amount of bunk beds for the kids, complete with shared bathroom and laundry facilities. Here we go.
Oh boy.
Oh, actually, when you're here, this is actually really quite lovely.
This is great.
Completely different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What can I do different for tomorrow? Do we want to be on a chain of lakes?
That'd be fun.
That would be fun.
So I do have one. It's about 15,000 over.
Okay.
Are you good with looking at it?
Yeah,
It's
let's do
kind
it.
of fun,
Let's go,
right?
yeah.
Why not look?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walleye Way is on the Horseshoe Chain of Lakes. Anytime you get a house on a chain of lakes, it's very desirable. It's really beautiful. I mean, look at this. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Well, I don't want to introduce the house with this because this is, to me, the back of the house.
Yeah.
The front of the house is really what people see from the lake. So let's head on
Okay.
down there.
Check it out.
Little fire pit,
Yep.
hammock.
This is great.
Look
Oh,
at
yeah.
this view, you guys.
Oh, look at
This is
that.
Really nice.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about Walleye Way. So it's got 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Don't be alarmed at that because
Okay.
it does increase.
Okay.
Technically, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's got 1,161 square feet. It sits on a little over 0.6 acres. The price is just a little bit above your budget at $400,000. This is $415,000. But everything that you see, from the outdoor furniture to the indoor furniture, is all yours.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, can we go see this cutie?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right. I love that there's a little deck over here.
Yeah.
Look at that little chair.
Right?
Okay.
Levels and levels and levels. I mean, this is literally where your family is going to be
Yeah.
living.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of it. All right, here we go. Come on in.
Oh, cute.
Oh,
I
nice.
love it.
Isn't it so
Yes,
cute?
it's super cute.
Wow, look at the big island.
Yeah, I really like this. Lots of room for seating, people.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at the view. That's gorgeous.
Oh, cute.
It's so cute,
Yes,
right?
this is a really good size.
All right, let's
Yeah.
continue. All right, second bedroom is just down the hall.
Okay.
Cute, right?
Oh,
This
nice.
is another really good size.
Yeah.
It's another great size.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hooks in the house.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, there's gotta be at least a 50. But I think it's kind of genius because, like, when you're here, you're gonna have towels everywhere. People are gonna be
I
coming
mean, we have
in
a big
and out.
family.
Yeah.
Everybody has
Lots of
suits,
kids.
everybody has towels.
Right.
Yeah.
But we have yet to see my favorite space. You know, more places to fit more butts, because I know that's a huge thing
Yes.
for you
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
It's a little hidden. Come on in.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
I was not expecting this.
Where did
I
this
really
come
like
from? Oh,
this a
look at all
lot.
those bunks.
Lots of bunks for lots of butts. You guys want to go take a look at the lake a little bit more?
Yeah.
A little harder?
Let's
Yeah.
look at the lake.
Yeah, let's do that. Look at this, you guys,
Oh,
though.
look at this.
Yeah, this is great.
This is awesome.
Isn't this really
Yeah. I
nice?
love
There's so much more to see as you get into the horseshoe, as you saw from the map. It's
Yeah.
kind of intense,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You're giving us a lot to think about.
Good.
Yeah.
Want to see some more houses?
I think we're good.
Take as much time as you want. I'm going to be visiting family,
Okay.
so don't take that much time. Let's get out of here.
All right.
Oofta. You guys have fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
It's been really nice to see places that I've been before, but haven't seen for 30 or 40 years. And it's like, it's really, really special. And looking for lake cabins, which is something that's near and dear to my heart.
Yeah.
And this is your first one. Did you guys like the houses?
We did. All a little different, but all great.
Yeah. So we started out with Hollydale Hill. Pretty good one to start out with.
Yeah.
It was, yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. It's just the newness.
Yeah, nice and updated.
Nothing to do at all.
But I like the big yard.
Yeah.
Tons of space for games and stuff. Yeah.
Almost an acre. It's
Lots
really,
of
really
trees.
a score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you're like, just continue. And I took you over to Kachow Court.
Yeah, right on the
quirky.
water was
Yeah.
awesome.
Super, quirky just like the name.
Uh-huh, yeah. It had good space.
Yeah, a bar and then
Yeah.
a really cool living space.
The dock was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Have you guys looked into prices for docks? Like just
I
out of
did
curiosity?
not know they were so expensive.
They're really pricey.
Yeah. So to have that nice of a dock included is great.
Really
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. Did the bathroom freak you out a little bit?
not really. I think it would be okay. I mean,
Just ready to dive in, aren't you?
yeah.
Okay, so then we took you over to a house on the chain of lakes, Walleye Way.
Love the chain of lakes.
Yeah.
Just looking at the map, seeing all the different places we could go.
Huge.
And
And the fact that everything came with it is a
Yes,
bonus
so
because we're not
nice.
selling our house, so we don't have things to move to somewhere. We
Yeah.
have to buy all the new things. Lots of outdoor space.
Yeah.
loved the views from the deck. Everything was,
Kind of nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right? No wrong answer. Where do you guys envision your family?
We're gonna go Hollydale Hill.
I'm really glad you guys did that.
Yeah.
Like, it's such a good property.
Yeah, nice and new.
Way under your budget.
Yeah, true.
Beautiful lake. It's got over 2,000 square feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said more butts the better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's perfect.
Yeah.
I think it'll be great for our family. Thank you so much for all your help.
yeah, you've been
was amazing.
fantastic.
We've had a great time.
Yeah,
Good, me
it's
too.
been so much fun.
Cheers to you guys and your fabulous dipping your toes into lake life.
Cheers. We ended up with Hollydale Hill, and we couldn't be happier. It's been really nice to have the option of just being so close to home. We can come up just for the day. A friend can come up and visit for the day.
Now we can bring our tradition here.
Yep, big 4th of July.
Tons of space just to hang out and play games. You got the fire pit, you've got the tall trees to give you some shade.
Oh, God! Hammocks all over the place for taking a nap. It's just great.
It's really nice.
The lake is great. We're learning a lot about cabin life so far and having fun.
Yeah, I think we've made every mistake you can make on a cabin so far.
Yeah. We're learning. We're doing great. You ready?